Hello guys, I just want to show you a quick way to get rid of your dog's diarrhea. I do have this little young exotic bully here. He has a sensitive stomach. He's allergic to actually chicken. So every time he eats chicken, he'll get diarrhea. So once in a while he'll eat a scrap and he'll get diarrhea right away. So what I do is you simply go to the market, buy a can of canned pumpkin and add a couple scoops to his kibble and keep on doing that for the next couple days and he'll be cured of diarrhea. So go ahead and try this for your dog and have a nice day.